Okay, here's the finished product. I sanded it down quite a bit with a electric half-inch belt sander and profiled it. Everything's all sealed up, it's tight, and this is it. I think it turned out pretty good. Now, if my grandson wants to finish it, he can, carve in some finger grooves. That's totally up to him. But anyway, this is the finished product. I haven't sharpened it. I haven't done anything with the blade. It's as is. So, but it's still plenty sharp. And it's a working tool, so it doesn't have a really sharp point on it. So this is it, and then we into the holster, and then there's the retainer clip, which will eventually give up because it's severely dry rotted, but that's an easy fix with a big O-ring and some kind of a gripper on it, so that's not a big deal right there. So that's it. That's the U.S. Divers official diving knife back in action. Thank you all for watching, and as always, you're very much appreciated, and I hope you all have a blessed day, no matter where you are.